unfriendly friend. Beware unfriendly friend. I said beware unfriendly friend. Beware unfriendly friend. I said beware unfriendly friend. Sister beware unfriendly friend. Brother beware unfriendly friend.
Hello my people. I greet you now. Good morning and good afternoon. This program I would call I Must Talk Reality program, where we do almost every day within the week. And depends on the time I sit get what you want to talk about. I want to use this medium to thank people when they watch this program, both when they subscribe and the one when wants to subscribe because of the good thing what they do. And I want to beg on. You know, one person now they know something finish. So what you now say we not see they do well for this program. Now we see they let us they know. Maybe the place where they call comments. And the bell when they see for the button now that place where you go press so that anytime when we put vital information and I go they see the thing when we bring the news or the story when we say carry come. Inside this program now, the program where they talk about so many things. Both the thing were good and the thing were bad now here we talk am. If person do good we go talk am, if the person do bad we go still talk am. And this morning when the carry us come this morning be saying that the woman when be doctor for Owerri State for Nigeria. So the woman a doctor, while the wife, the husband, na they work for Channel Television allegedly. Although we get one picture where I go see show now for inside this news, where we say the man really hold microphone like who they work for Channel TV. So the man name might be Mr. Pius Agbo, and the wife name might be Dr. Ifeanyiwa, medical doctor. The woman na doctor, the wife na doctor. When I see the picture of the time when they marry, see their children when they don't born, all of the day they wanna see them. When I see this news this morning, I said no, I not feel bear this thing. Because what I see for inside the picture, Ogbevunu. Now our people they talk Ogbevunu. The thing surprised me and the thing passed me. And I said, no, I'm not fit talker. This one a total abuse. That be the thing what they thought. Say anything when go they talk and the thing when not so good, we go see the talker so that we go they know. Because one person, you know, they know finish. So according to the news today, the woman now they say there is enough food. They not they get food to eat. The man not they drop money for us. And the woman now just deliver. He deliver with operation. Our people what they call surgery. He deliver with surgery. But I know what it be. It not they easy. Where they say woman they will tear am before they will break pikin come out. It not they easy. So this woman did this kind of condition when this thing happen. So this thing when want to so when it happen. The woman now counted the wife, even before now, say the woman said the man they beat her when he even they pregnant. When he get belly, now so the man they use her they make boxing, they boss her, they beat her. The one can't deliver. Person when just deliver just 4 weeks ago. The man get the guts, the effrontery to beat the woman in this manner. You see, because say the woman, accused her say if they carry money, they go outside. They carry money, they go outside, they go give women. This fine lady, wait till all those women get when this your wife not get, when you see they look outside. And when I do marry, you say now for better for worse. You say love and when they ask you, pastor ask you, I know they there, but now so that they do it. You love her and say yes. You love her, yes I do. They answer no, yes I do. So what you call a fight again when they go, they fight for another woman when they say you don't feel give even put food for her, for your children and your wife. And as she there house now, she there pregnant. That now normal say she no feel they go work. At this time, she go be like say she depend on the husband somehow. So but notwithstanding, I want to talk about this thing. Why people say the thing dey surprise me, because the way I go say see some people when men husband, men, boyfriend, they will beat their girlfriend, like say they will nearly kill herself, like almost to the point of death. Are they surprised? These people, they didn't get conscious at all. You go feel wound yourself like that. You go feel wound yourself like that. You know the kind of pain when this woman pass through, they pass through now. A woman when they just tear body to deliver. The kind of pain when self just even when you go see the feel now. Not to talk, but God created this woman a strong woman. I will read thank God, they say not die during the process when they beat her. If you see the way the man used bruises, condemn this woman's face, you don't go recognize them again. See the picture again. And see the other one, when they take it together, even when they pregnant, the way they hold shoulder, what they do, now for 110. See, because see the woman, you who see this woman, you're not going to recognize them again because of the way you condemn your face. So if you condemn your face, like that, which person you want this one for? For which person? This person get up say not be for my family for come, or not be for my sister. Now prison I go. I go make sure say he go rot for prison. Because this one na bad something. I go beat human being like this as if maybe na thief. Even thief self, we are not allowed to beat thief in this manner. You know, I'm not allowed to beat thief like this. Not to talk of say your wife when they have maybe say get small baby for hand. When you just born, when we say not be say na normal. Now you see now the help of surgeon you take deliver the pikin. Now you see get this mind to beat on them. What to say not able just deliver before maybe you know just get small pikin for hand. Let me say if I just take collapse cut her into pieces. I believe government should do something about this nonsense that is happening. And the worst part now, this man a person when we say they work for TV station. Allegedly, I repeat, allegedly. Can you imagine? That's why I tell everybody this video when I do so, when I post them for everywhere, when I post and share it to all the platforms, social media, Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, anywhere, WhatsApp, when I share it, they go. This nonsense must stop. This abuse must stop. Very soon I go build up a campaign where we say go dey fight against this nonsense. And I know they support woman make the beat the wife like that. And I know they support a woman make the beat because you see get some women who say that they beat their husband because they don't say that they beat them, they beat them anyhow. I don't see how many times. Let me say they will come hold the woman go sit down for the man head. He go the mamara, the man go the which is very bad. We go build up a campaign when we say go to fight against all these things. Both men when they abuse their wife, both women when they abuse their husband, even fathers, children, when they abuse their own children. We go build up a campaign when we fight against and make government post some a rigid law when we say go to fight against all these things when they happen. Can you imagine? How could be the person in such manner even this man self he get my though. I mean you not just fear at all, you not even fear anybody. You will not say the woman not get any person at all. You know they fear God, you never because of the children self. What I'm saying as a condemn this woman like this now. If I come blind before, who you want leave the woman for? For who? Now for better for worse, whether you blind the eye, you must marry her. Which kind of rubbish be this one? I think government should deal with this man mercilessly. If na me employ this man for TV, I go if I see this I do. You know I beg no day. I go sack her from work. Which kind of rubbish be this one? I go beat woman in that way, condemn her face like that. I see many like that. Some of them say go be like say na cutlass they take tear mark on their face, What did it happen? Try this one for try her for here, try her for Germany here, or try her for Europe here, make for you the kind of prison where go. What kind of nonsense be this one? Now just leave. Even me when I dey for yourself, I not fit try am. I not fit raise my hand like that self say I wan come hit person that way say you come beat am how you feel come out blood go come. I know say some women dey stubborn me say they will say you must beat me, you must beat me, you must beat me, you must beat me. They get some women when say they be like that. Then when they say their man before they will talk, they will come laugh for waist. You must beat me today, you must beat me today, you must beat me today. You are just incurring nonsense in short to rot to your own self. You must beat me. My wife get that kind of wife before. When they say small thing, you go even hold my father. And my father na person say not the beat woman. He will come hold arm, you will not go work today. Now so people will come gather, oh, the man go just quiet, you go hold her for this thing. Hold her for trouser. You must beat me to do. You not go anywhere. You not go anywhere. Some women still be like that. But that will not justify you to come to beat a woman like that. Huh? I know say some women get bad mouth too, and I saw some men say get bad mouth. But not rich say you go just condemn woman, this kind of beautiful woman, and I condemn her face. Which kind of nonsense is this one? I think government should do something about it. You know, say our country now country where we say if person know some people now who know who. If you know this guy and I don't know some 2 or 3 people now they don't release them. And now everything when they kill us they go. Bribe, corruption, everything when they kill us they go. Let me say the truth, if we see the truth, we not go talk am. If we see black, we go say na white. If we see white, we say na black. And that is why with this program, we they try to tell people, we not if you do good, we will tell you say you do good. If you say you do bad, we will say tell you do bad. You do good, yes, we talk am. You do bad, we talk am. Now say this, even as so bad, we talk am. People go say, hey, not judge, this will not be judged. We are not judging nobody here, but we are saying the right thing. Bible even talk and say, make a righteous judgment. I beg you now, stop this nonsense when they do. And this one, this should not come address this morning. I say I must come address this issue. Because if you reach open internet today, you go see different people when their face condemn. We go some women self, if you see their face beyond repair, you don't go recognize them at all. Some of them will be like see their face they now plastered. Ah, God, you go plaster their face when man they beat their boyfriend they beat them. That is nonsense. You never they beat this kind of person when they say you just born newly, you never fear whether I go die self. Because maybe you see their family finish. You not get anybody when we say go feel fight on her behalf. That's why we need to fight on behalf of all these kind of people. Can't nonsense with this one. Make anybody not try out to my sister. Maybe say he snap or maybe push her some and a beat the face like person like car will get accident. What did they what kind of rubbish be this one? Nonsense. Try am. Can imagine. I think this man should be arrested. They should get this man arrested. Nonsense, nonsense, nonsense. My people now hear the news for finish now. So because me had to go work, so now later or tomorrow now go do the next one.
Sister, beware.